I'm going to show you how to get webinar activity as timeline events on a contact's activity timeline in HubSpot. Quite a mouthful, but let me show you how it works. So right here, I'm looking at a contact, Olga, she's my colleague, and what I can see here is all of the webinars that she has registered to, right? I can see that she watched a replay. I can see that she watched a live webinar. If I click to unfold, I can see that she watched 47%. I can see what is she answering on polls during these events. Super, super powerful information because it will allow you and your sales team to, of course, improve your personalization during the webinar follow-up. Let me show you how you can set this up for your webinars. The number one thing that you need to do is check if your webinar platform has timeline activities. Okay, that's the only thing that you need to do. If it doesn't have and you think it's super useful, check out Contrast Webinars. We do have it. And I'm going to show you if your webinar platform has it, how to get it in there. Make sure that, of course, you have your webinar platform connected to HubSpot through the integration. And then if you go to here to activities, you can actually filter in the activity. So even if you connect the integration, usually it's not filtered in. But what you can do is click here on filter activity, go to integrations, and right here you will see contrast webinars. You simply click on that, and then the data appears. That's all there is. Good luck.